Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks, and you?
I'm very well, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Sarah, and what's your name?
My name is Tom. Where are you from?
I'm from India, and you?
I'm from the United States. Where do you live?
I live in Vietnam, and you?
I live in Brazil. What city are you from?
I'm from London, and you?
I'm from New York. Are you here for the first time?
Yes, I have never been here before.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do. I can speak it a little.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can, but I can't say that I speak it really well.
How long have you been here?
For 2 weeks.
Do you like this place?
Yeah, this place is really good. Can you tell me how to get to this place?
Sorry, I don't understand. Would you like to live abroad?
Sorry, what do you mean?
Okay, would you like to live in another country?
Why not? What are you going to do tomorrow?
Well, I think I'll be free, so we can meet. Are you free tomorrow?
Let me think, yeah.
What about going to the restaurant?
That would be great.
What are your plans for tomorrow?
I suppose I'll go to the park with my friends.
Can I join you?
Sure. What did you do yesterday?
I went to work, then I went to a cafe.
How do you usually spend your free time?
You know, I usually learn English or watch something on YouTube. How old are you?
I'm 21, and you?
I'm 21 too.
So we are the same age.
How old are you?
I'm 18, and you?
I'm 2 years younger than you.
So you are 16, right?
Yeah. Do you work or study?
I study.
Where do you study?
I study at a university.
Do you work or study?
I work.
Where do you work?
I work for an international company.
What's your job?
I'm a teacher.
What do you teach?
English.
What's your mother tongue?
Spanish.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
What's your native city?
Los Angeles.
Do you like this city?
Yeah, I really like living here. How many foreign languages do you know?
2. I can speak English and Italian.
How long have you